Guys, there is blood on the streets in the crypto market. It's been a brutal 24 hours and there has been some brutal corrections. Um, Welcome back to Bristol Crypto. Craig, guys, here on a very bloody ready crypto day. We have seen Bitcoin go down nearly $10,000, guys. In 24 hours. It's been real brutal dips, unfortunately. And there's a lot of blood on the streets, guys. There is a bit of news going around at the moment, liquidating almost 10 billion. And fears of regulatory moves come as a brief hash rate crash from a Chinese power blackout already begins to rebound. So we're starting to pick up already, everyone. It's not too bad. We are starting to come back. Bitcoin fell to sudden lows of 52,000 on April the 18th, and a timed reminder of how price action often follows hash rate. Now, I'm on Cointelegraph here, and they are saying that Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed a brutal hour for Bitcoin bulls everywhere early on Sunday as the market went from 59k to 52k in minutes. Having lost 60,000 support earlier in the weekend, Bitcoin USD was still fairly stable before the snap price event, which liquidated positions worth almost 10 billion over the past 24 hours, guys. Absolutely brutal day in the markets. At around $7,000, the hourly loss challenges the record reversal seen in February after Bitcoin hit 58k for the first time. Analysts pointed to two events as potential causes: a hash rate crash and rumors from unnamed sources that United States regulators were about to charge unnamed financial institutions with crypto-related money laundering. That's all here, guys, to read if you want to have a look at this. Willie Woo also tweeted earlier the impact on price action was temporary and that hash rate had meanwhile already almost fully recovered. So have a look at these markets, guys, on here. US Treasury to charge several financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrencies. It's all there for you to read, guys, if you want to have a look on there. I won't bore you with it too much. On there. Now, I mean, don't be shaken out by this dip, guys. Obviously, the whales are having a bit of a play at the moment. Liquidating so many people, and 10 billion liquidation in the space of 24 hours is absolutely unheard of. So just hold those bags tight, guys. Now is not the time to sell. It's red. Now is the time to buy, and we know what's going to happen, guys. Over the next couple of days, we're going to be higher than we were before the dump. So we are nowhere near the end of the bull market, and I just want to show you a chart just to back my my thoughts up here, actually. Okay. So what we're looking at here, guys, is a basically this chart here is on Glassnode, okay, and it's realized hodl ratio, okay. It just basically shows you the there's a lot of good charts here, and it shows you like the actual state of the cycle that we're in at the moment. So this one here shows you, okay. Let's have a look at this chart, yeah. Okay, so we are now in 2021, so we're up here, but it shows you like the phases of the actual run, guys. Okay, so back in the going into the 2013 one, you can see we had 3 different phases here. Okay, so we've got a phase here, we had another phase here before things dumped and like kind of went to the bear years. And then this here is the end of the 2017 one. You can see it again. 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phases. And each phase obviously is, I mean, that one was a bit different. Back here was a double kind of phase here. But this one here, you can see the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Now, I believe we're only just seeing phase 1. Okay, guys. And if we just go down here. Okay. Now this basically here is the chart where we are up to where we are now. Okay, so just move my camcorder over here a little bit. So here you go. Back in the 2017 blow off top here. 2013 blow off top. Okay. So as you can see here, you know, you can see where these dips come in on the way up. There are these dips here. I mean, we're not even this far up the actual cycle, guys. But as you go up, look, see, there's pullbacks here before we go on to parabolic moves. This is why you do not need to worry about your coins. You don't need to worry about your portfolio. It is just a dip. It is the wells liquidating people before they decide they want to be bullish again. So you've got one here. Obviously, this here, guys, is the bear years. You know, this is where we're going to be heading for. These two tops here on the 2017, the 2013 cycle. So this is where we're going to be heading for this 2021 cycle. And as you can see, we're right down here. You know, so if you, I mean, it's not hard to compare, is it, guys? It's pretty much, it's a 4-yearly rinse and repeat cycle. Okay, so we're down here somewhere. We're midway through this bull run, guys, and the best always comes at the end. So, and here you see back in the 2013 one. Okay, back here, you can see how the patterns do tend to kind of trace, you know. Okay, they don't repeat, but they do rhyme, as they say. Okay, and here we are now in April of 2021. So that's where we're looking at, guys, at the moment. Okay, don't be shaken out. It is just a minor dip, guys, and it will be back up as soon as you blink. We'll be back up in profit again, guys. There's a couple of really good charts there. Glassnode is really good as well. Really good site, guys, there. Get some really good charts. Same one as I just showed you there. And you can also, they have one here, an accurate calling the tops. While the pink band can be used to scale out of Bitcoin investments, realized hold ratio correctly identifies market cycle tops within 1 week of the market topping out. So accurate, guys, really good. Let's see. 2017 here. Okay. You can see exactly where it tops out here. 16th of December was the top. Okay. That was the exact top of the last bull run. Just coming up to Christmas there. Really good. There's some really good stuff on Glassnode, guys. We'll have a look at it. Really good stuff. Great charts. And this one here is a really good one. Where are we now? And live data chart. Currently, RHODL ratio is indicating that we are in the early stages of a bull market, having moved out of the green accumulation band. Current RODL ratio levels are comparable with early bull market stages of 2013-2016. Okay. So here we go. Okay, guys, so really interesting stuff here. This suggests that there remains plenty of upside this coming bull run before we enter the overbought red zone. You can click here on different charts, guys, to access live interactive data and all that on here. This is a really good one. This is a really good chart, this one. This is my favorite one here. We have a look at it here, guys. So here we are, look. It's basically tells you where we are in the corresponding bull market, and just look how promising this looks. You look here, we have a long way to go. You look here, we have a long way to go with the dips, minor dips, and here we are. We have got all this way, guys. So we're midway through. We're midway through this bull run. Okay, no need to panic, guys. No need to panic whatsoever. We are midway through at the most. Okay, at the most, maybe slightly even before that, you know. So Chainlink, couple of days old, guys. Had a busy few days, but just catching up with Chainlink. And 2.0 lays foundation for adoption of hybrid smart contracts. Chainlink 2.0 and the future of decentralized Oracle networks. Chainlink 2 white paper. Since the original Chainlink white paper over 3 years ago, Chainlink has grown into the most widely used decentralized Oracle solution throughout every emerging smart contract vertical, including DeFi, insurance, gaming, NFTs, and more. Okay, guys. Now, have a read through this. This is the new white paper of Chainlink 2.0. I won't read it all through. Obviously, it'll take me forever, and you'll be switching off later tomorrow. But this basically here, guys, there's a PDF there for you to view. or you can visit the actual white paper, which if you click on here, okay guys, gives you a full rundown of the new white paper and the developers. Okay, absolutely great news on here, guys. I'm so bullish for Chainlink, as you know. This has got so much upside potential as the Oracle, guys, to connect the real world to the actual blockchain, and this is why I'm so bullish on this project. It's on there. Download the white paper. It's all on there, guys, for you to have a look at. Okay, so I just want to basically cover a bit of the it has been a brutal day, and if you're pretty new to the if you are pretty new to crypto, it is pretty daunting, isn't it? Is a lot of people get shaken out at this stage because they don't know what the actual market cycle plays out like. So a lot of people will jump at that and think, oh my god, it's time to cash out. No, you don't cash out now, because you will look back in 5 or 6 months and you'll be absolutely devastated. It's just a minor pullback, guys, like you saw on the charts, and this will soon pick up and move onwards and upwards. And when it does pick up this coming week, maybe sooner, you're going to be back up higher than what we were before the actual the dump of the correction, guys, came. So that's what we're looking at now. I think that Bitcoin now is we're going to break up, guys, in May to let's have a look now. Once we've broken out of this, guys, now I expect to see something like this. I do expect to see pretty parabolic moves going off the chart up to the 70 to mid 70s in May, maybe up to 80k, guys, after this correction. I think we are going to see a next big leg up, the next phase. So yeah, have a look, everyone. That's where we're heading back up to now, though. That's where we're going to. Okay, guys, we're up to 369 subscribers at the moment. Thanks for all your new subscribers out there and your returning people. It's great. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate it. That's all I've got today for the video. Please like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing on the channel, guys. And back with you tomorrow with hopefully a lot more green on the charts, a lot less blood on the streets, guys. A nice little recovery from Bitcoin and Ethereum is what I'm hoping for now in the next couple of days. And just general recovery from the alts, guys, because don't forget that Bitcoin is still 50% dominance of the market. When Bitcoin goes down, the alts are going to be pulled down with it. The rope will pull down alts. It's just natural how the market works. And then when we see Bitcoin go up now, we're going to see it pick up as well. Thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig, guys. Hold those hands tight. They get shaken out, and remember, there is no reason not to be holding crypto nowadays, guys. Thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig, and we'll catch up with you again tomorrow, guys, with a lot more green. Peace out. See you later. Goodbye.